Hi, welcome back to our channel. This afternoon I'm going to be demonstrating how to make Moi Moi Elewe, the traditional way of preparing moi moi. I'll be using 4 basic ingredients. I've got some brown beans, some vegetable oil, salt, peppers and onions. I've got 4 cups of brown beans and I'll be adding some water to soak the beans for about half an hour. The beans is now very soft. It's been soaking in water for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to be peeling it in a blender. Usually you can use hand to rub it to remove the skin from the beans, like that, but it takes a lot of time to do. So what I usually do is to pop it into the blender, add a little bit of water and blend on slow speed. While using the blender to remove the peel of the beans, it's very important not to leave the blender to keep going, because this will blend the beans. What I'm doing at this stage is just to remove the skin off the beans. So I'm going to just push it and stop and stop, push it and stop. That should be sufficient to have removed the peel of the beans. I've used the blender to remove the peel from the beans, and this is what I've got. And the next step now is to remove the peel from the beans. So I'm going to be washing it with water. It's easy to wash off because usually the peel should float on top of the beans. So all I would do is continuously fill it up with water and drain the peel off the beans. There are also dried beans that you can buy in the marketplace, but I usually like things done fresh. That's the peel and that's the beans all washed. The next step is to blend the beans with some onions, paprika pepper for redness and for color, and also some scotch bonnet or cayenne pepper or any chili of your sauce of your choice. I'm going to add some water and blend until smooth. The batter is now ready. I've blended it into a smooth batter, and the consistency is very important to get the moi moi to turn out nicely. It should be soft and dripping off the spoon, but not too soft as to become like running water. At this stage, a lot of Africans add different fillings. You can have tuna flakes, kidney pieces, different type of fish, shrimps, prawns, anything of your choice. But for catering purposes, a lot of people are allergic to different things, so I just keep things simple. So for this video, I'm going to add half a spoon of salt and 1 kitchen spoon or 2 of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I've seen people make moi moi with palm oil, but I prefer to use vegetable oil. So stir in the oil into the batter The next step is the cooking of the moi moi. I've got a saucepan of water, and because I want it steamed, so I'm going to put a leaf at the bottom. If you don't have leaf, you can use foil paper or even small cake wires or anything you have that can be cooked without causing problem, just to lift the product, the moi moi, off the water level. The next step is the folding of the leaves. So is folding it into like a cone. So you take from one side, take it to the other side, and fold the other end across, tucked in at the back nicely, and then take the tail up. So I've got the leaf folded ready for the filling of the batter. So in each leaf, I'll add about 3 scoops, or just fill it halfway or 2/3 full, so that there will be room for expansion during cooking. So to close it off, you push the one end to the other end, and then fold the other end to the back like that, and place in the water. Continue to fold until you've run out of batter. I've got the moi moi all folded up nicely, and it's beginning to steam up. So if you do not have leaves, which usually I don't even bother to use leaves, you can use foil paper, or even some people use food safe polythene bag, though would be cautioned not to use it because it could cause maybe not good for the health. But you can use the foil paper and just the foil tray, and just pour the batter into it. Cover it with a lid. And steam. Moi moi does not require a lot of water to begin with, so every 10 minutes, or if you have a faster cooker, maybe every 5 to 8 minutes, you come back and top the bottom part with a little bit of water. We leave it to cook for about 1 hour. The moi moi is ready, and I'm going to unwrap one to show you what it should be like. You can serve this with eko, ogi, gari, or eat alongside rice dishes like jollof rice and fried rice. Enjoy.